Hey friends, today I'm going to read you the cutest, sweetest story called It's Okay to Be Different. And the author, the person who wrote the words, and the illustrator, the person who drew the pictures, are the same person. The author and the illustrator are Todd Parr, and he writes some really awesome books for kids. He loves to use a lot of colors when he makes books for kids and like a lot of funny little characters. I think you're going to like this book. And it has a really great message about how sometimes people are a little different than you, and that's fine. Sometimes you're a little different than other people, and that's wonderful. All right, so let's read it. It's okay to be different. Oh my gosh, already look at these cute little characters. It's okay to be missing a tooth, or two, or three. It's okay to need some help. So this person right here is using a seeing eye dog. So that means that her eyes don't work. She is blind, so she can't see. So she needs a seeing eye dog to help her around so she doesn't bump into anything and so she knows where she's going. So it's okay to need some help, maybe from a seeing eye dog. It's okay to have a different nose or maybe a trunk. It's okay to be a different color. Look at this cool zebra, all rainbow colored. It's okay to have no hair. It's okay to have big ears. It's okay to have wheels. Maybe you've seen someone before who sits in a wheelchair. So you would sit in a wheelchair if your legs didn't work, so meaning you couldn't walk. So you would sit in a wheelchair and push the wheels to help you get around, maybe if you couldn't walk. It's okay to be small, medium, large, or extra large. Like I've said, we all come in different shapes and different sizes. It's okay to wear glasses. It's okay to talk about your feelings. Like this lion's having a lot of feelings. He's saying roar, like he's mad, but he's also saying purr, like he's happy. You probably have different feelings a lot too. So do I. It's okay to eat macaroni and cheese in the bathtub? Wait, what? I'm not sure if the author Todd Parr, I don't know, that's kind of a crazy idea. To eat macaroni and cheese in the bathtub? It's okay to say no to bad things, like these fish. They see a hook coming down into the water, and a hook can only mean one thing. Someone is trying to fish and trying to get them out. So if you saw something that was bad, like a hook, if you were a fish and you saw a hook, say no, because the most important thing you can do is be safe and be healthy. So if you see something bad, say no. It's okay to come from a different place. Like this alien is coming from a different planet. Or maybe you moved to a new place and you came from somewhere else. That's okay too. That's fun and exciting. It's okay to get embarrassed. Like this girl has toilet paper stuck to her shoe. Oh, she's so embarrassed. But it's okay. Everybody gets embarrassed. It's okay to come in last, like this turtle running a race. He's the last one to come in at the race. But that's okay. He still finished the race. That's awesome, especially for a turtle. It's okay to dance by yourself. Definitely. That is so much fun to do. It's okay to have a pet worm. It's okay to be proud of yourself, to feel good about yourself when you do something awesome. It's okay to have different moms. It's okay to have different dads. It's okay to be adopted. So this poor little puppy here, he did not have a mom or a dad. So this kangaroo adopted him and said, I'll be your mom or I'll be your dad. And now this little puppy who had no family before now has a family. So that's really special. Oh my goodness. It's okay to have an invisible friend. It's okay to do something nice for someone. Like, look at this cat sharing his cheese with a little mouse. How sweet. It's okay to lose your mittens. It's okay to get mad. But if you're a skunk and you get mad, watch out, everybody. But everybody does get mad. But it's important that you don't do anything crazy when you're mad. Like, you don't throw a toy or say a mean word, okay? Everybody does feel mad. That is okay, but you have to control it when you're mad. It's okay to do something nice for yourself. I don't know. That's kind of a big ice cream cone. That looks like a bellyache waiting to happen. It's okay to help squirrels collect nuts. It's okay to have different kinds of friends. That's for sure. I love having friends that all like different things or look different ways or come from different places. It makes my friendship with them really interesting and cool. It's okay to make a wish. Oh, look what this dog is wishing for. A little bone. It's okay to be different. You are special and important just because of being who you are. And then it says, love Todd. Todd is the person who wrote the book and drew the pictures too. That's a sweet message for the end. I love that book. There were so many cute little characters, and it makes me feel good about having different feelings or different friends or different family members because everybody's different. So all these things make life exciting and make everybody have nice relationships and fun with different people. I like this book a lot. I'll see you guys later, okay? Bye.